Hello everyone, Clint here. I hope everybody's doing great today. Today I'm coming at you with this little bit different video than you're used to me doing, and this is a product review of a microphone system. This is the Boya Magic 4-in-1 microphone system. I thought it was a really great product, and I really want to make a video on it, even though it's not something I normally do. But this thing is totally awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box. So here, and everything you see here comes in the box of this great microphone. This is a one device. It's got four different forms. You can see here it uses some kind of true AI noise cancellation that suppresses up to 40 decibels, 7 grams and 13 millimeters thin for discreet wear, and all kinds of cool stuff, and 6 hours of battery life per mic, which I really thought was really cool. So take a quick look at what comes in the box itself. You got a wind sock right here, and that is for when you have it in microphone mode, and then you have a wind sock for each of the portable microphones. So cool. And then you actually have 3 transmitters. You got one transmitter here that slides on top of your camera, and then will lock in to your camera perfectly. And then it also has a transmitter here if you're using the old school iPhone action right there. And then you also have a transmitter in the bottom right here, the USB-C transmitter right there, perfectly done. So this is where the magic is, actually, right here. And as you can see here, this is kind of like a charging case. Hold your transmitter on the bottom right there, and then when you open this up here on the side, you get 2 different microphones. So you got microphone 1 and 2, and as you can see here, they got tiny little microphones here for your lapel or your hat or your shirt or whatever the heck you want to there. They have on the back of them little clips so you can clip onto right there, and then you have this magnet right here where you can put that like on the inside of a shirt right there, and then magnetize that baby right to your shirt so you can cruise around like that. Super cool. I really liking this right here so far. You know, my lapel microphone actually got eaten by my Roomba, so I've been looking for a new one here, and this one looks really great. You can just kind of, and it just kind of locks right in there to charge, and then that charges right there. Now what this is here is, once this is in the case, you notice you got a little button right here, right here, and what you can use that for is just a hand mic. So if you want to do the hand mic, it's gonna, as you can see there, it's got some little thingies in there to allow the sound to go through, and you can able to just talk on it like this. And that's what these little socks are for, so you can have that on there like that so you can talk. And then also, if you got your wind sock, you can go ahead and put that right on there also. So it really is 4-to-1 action right there. And if you can tell, you got a tripod mount right there, and it does come with a cool little tripod. So if you wanted to set your tripod up like that, you can screw that on there right there, and then you can rotate it, and then you can have your microphone up like that. Way cool, guys. This is super cool. I really like this whole setup, and then the whole thing kind of breaks down and then fits into this little bit of bag right here. So it does come with a carrying case, nice little organizers and stuff in there. Allows you to just drop it into your bag and go if you need to. I'm really excited to give this thing a try for sure. I haven't used it actually yet, and you're going to be my first test. So right now I'm using my nice big boom studio mic there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to one of these guys and see what it does for us, and see if we can get some action on that too. So stand by just a second. Okay guys, I now have the mic on clipped onto my shirt here. How do you guys think it sounds? I can tell you it's really light. I can't even tell it's there. In fact, I'm just wondering if it's even working, because it always seems weird when you get a new microphone and you haven't tested it out. This is the first time I've used this, so this will be the first time you've heard it. So I'm pretty excited for that. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Like I said, I just pulled that guy right out of there, and then this connected automatically to the connector here. I can see lights are on, so I'm assuming it's working. So yeah, so what do you guys think here compared to my studio mic? I'm really looking forward to using this because I like to walk away and get far away from you guys. the camera sometimes, and I want to be able to talk. And so this is going to work out really well for me because, like I said, my last wireless mouse, my last wireless mic got eaten by the Roomba because somehow it fell off my desk and got sucked up and destroyed by the Roomba. So, like I said, here now we can go ahead and switch this over. And it switches over like that, and you can put that in there like that. And then you turn that guy on, and now it's working. And so now it is a handheld mic. So now I can talk to you, do some karaoke action, which I will not do for you because that is terrible, absolutely terrible. And then we can put the studio cover on it right there to give you like a studio cover mic on there right there. And then of course you have the air action here, the windsock is what I call that guy there, to be able to use that. So okay guys, I want to do a quick test on how this handles noise, background noise, with the AI processing that it has. So we're cruising in the car here, we're going highway speeds, and so we got this cooking right now. So hopefully this is good. I just got it clipped onto me right here like I would normally. Let's go do a little bit of a wind noise now. Let's see. So we're going to drop this down here. So now this would be some wind noise. Feels pretty loud to me, so I don't know how well you can hear me, but we'll find out in post-processing. So I will not do any kind of enhancements to this, and we'll see how it comes out. So let me know what you guys think on this. Yeah, super, super cool there. You can go ahead and use the, let's go ahead and pull that out again. And it is still working there because it comes with little lights. There's also lights over here on the wireless transmitter, and this is super simple too. You can just drop that right in there, and now you have a windsock there. So we're now talking through it with the windsock on there right now. Let me know how that sounds too. Super, super cool. I am very excited for this. Let me put this back on. I don't even know if this is working. Hopefully it's working just fine. And I end up not having to redo this video, so clip that back on there. Wouldn't be the first time I've had to review videos. I mess them up a lot, actually. So anyways, guys, this is the Boya Magic AI Power Transformable Wireless Microphone, desktop, handheld, on camera, and clip on with either magnets or a clip. I mean, this is pretty cool. I'm really excited to use this. Let me know what you guys think. There will be a discount code from Amazon down in the bottom. They are doing a discount on the worldwide release of this guy here, so take a look at that. So anyways, let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you on the next one.